2018 Kia Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth-flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, clock, power door locks, power windows, security system, side airbag, tachometer, intermittent wipers, overhead console, power outlets, rear view camera, power mirrors, tilt steering wheel, vanity mirrors. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.